Juxt, a higher order function that takes one or more functions as arguments and returns a function. When calling the returned function with 0 or more arguments, the arguments are passed to each of the functions originally passed to juxt, and the returned result is a vector containing each result from these functions. We'll start with a toy example to show the basic functionality. We want to return the result of various math functions applied to two numbers. We can replace this with juxt for a more concise version. More practically, juxt can be used to extract certain values from a collection of hash maps, in this case a person's ID and name. We can expand on this idea and create a lookup using the into function. Juxt can be handy if you want to sort by more than one field. In this case, we sort by age first and then by name. What's that function? Now you know. Like, subscribe and comment for more. All examples available at whatsthatfunction.com.